Hello students, are you ready? I am going to discuss about the electric field intensity on equatorial position, or you can say broadside on position. Electric dipole AB having two equal and opposite charge plus Q and minus Q. Bisector of this electric dipole known as equatorial line. We have to calculate the electric field at the point P. In figure, OP, O is the midpoint of electric dipole, OP equal to R, AV equal to AV equal to 2L, length of electric dipole, AP equal to BP equal to root R square plus L square, cos theta integral AOP L upon root R square plus L square based upon hypotenuse. L it may be written L upon R square plus L square power 1 by 2. Electric field intensity at P due to the positive charge plus Q of electric dipole E1 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon AP square. Put the value of AP square, AP and square, then we will get E1 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square plus L square along AP. This is denoted by vector E1. Electric field intensity due to the negative charge minus Q charge of electric dipole at P E2 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square plus L square along PV. You know that due to the negative charge toward the negative charge direction of electric field in magnitude, both the electric field intensity at the P is equal in magnitude E1 and equal to E2. Resultant intensity of electric field at P equal to E1 root E1 square plus root E2 square plus 2 E1 E2 cos 2 theta, where 2 theta is the angle between the vector E1 and E2. In magnitude E1 equal to E2, we can put in the place of E2 E1 equal to E1 square plus E1 square plus 2 E1 square cos 2 theta may be written 2 cos square theta minus 1 equal to 2 E1 square, open this, 4 E1 square cos square theta minus 2 E1 square, 2 square and minus 2 square cancel, square root of 4 E1 square cos theta, we will get 2 E1 cos theta. Put the value of E1, 2 into 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square plus L square into value of cos theta L upon R square plus L square 1 by 2 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 2L, you may be right, upon R square plus L square root 3 by 2 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 2L, that is electric dipole moment P upon R square plus L square 3 by 2. If R is very greater to L, then L square may be neglected. Now equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon R cube, directed anti-parallel to the electric dipole moment vector P. For small electric dipole, E axial equal to minus 2 times into E equatorial. torque on dipole in uniform electric field. Torque on electric dipole in uniform electric field. When electric dipole placed in uniform electric field at different direction to the electric fielder, then there act a torque. Because there are two equal and opposite force in uniform electric field on dipole. One of the force on positive charge QE in the direction of electric field and force on negative charge in magnitude F equal to QE opposite to the electric field. These two forces are equal in magnitude but in opposite direction. They act at different line of action. They form couple which tend to rotate electric dipole in the direction of electric field. Force on plus Q charge in direction of electric field, force on minus Q charge F equal to QE opposite to electric field. These two forces are equal in magnitude, form a couple which tends to rotate electric dipole in the direction of electric field. Therefore, restoring torque on electric dipole in uniform electric field, either force F into perpendicular distance between them. Torque equal to QE into AC. In figure AC upon AB equal to sin theta, AC equal to AB sin theta, AC equal to 2L sin theta. Therefore, torque equal to QE into 2L sin theta. Torque equal to Q into 2L E sin theta. Or torque equal to P sin theta, where Q into 2L equal to the electric dipole moment P, therefore P sin theta. In vector form, torque equal to vector P cross vector E. Torque always directed perpendicular to the electric dipole moment P and electric field intensity E. If theta equal to 90, then tau max equal to PE. If theta equal to 0 or 180, then tau minimum equal to P equal to 0. Thus, from this it is very clear, when electric dipole placed in uniform electric field, then resultant force acting on electric dipole 0, but torque is not 0.